Welcome back, and today I'll be teaching you Bitcoin mining set that includes no downloads. So let's get started. Go in the description and click stormgain.com. You will get more money from doing that than typing it in the browser. If you don't believe me, go ahead and try it. Anyways, let's get started. So probably when you click in the browser, you will come to something like this. Then just hit sign in. And then fill all those questions in and hit continue. Then you will be logged into this. Now these are everything you can do. Now here's the miner. So I mined $7.56, and you probably have $4 or $3 because you haven't mined as much as I have. But yeah. But now I'll explain why. But first your friend, which is you, so you will get to be accessed for registrations. So yeah. But if you haven't done it, as I said before, you won't be able to do it. But yeah, that's all for today's lesson. And you will be mining as fast as crypto. And if you walk away and just leave it open, I think we'll mine faster than do it. Oh yeah, I just forgot, guys, that here's, now I'm explaining what this is. Our daily income. And hit activate for 4 hours. Now here. $0.62, which is 62 cents. So when 4 hours is over, which here's the timer. When 4 hours is over, you immediately have to click it another time. You can't wait 5 or 6 hours or even 1 hour. You have to click it immediately, and every day you'll get $62 from this. And you do that, and if you do that every week, immediately click it, then you'll get $4.30. And if you do it every day, every 30 days, every day for 30 days, you'll get $18.72. Well, this money might be different for you, but yeah. So, bye everyone. Hope you liked this video.